This compact HuoPro S1 magnetic wireless monitor turns your smartphone's rear camera into a reliable framing screen for sharper vlogs, selfies, and live streams. Its one-tap wireless connection keeps setup simple while maintaining low latency, so the preview feels responsive without interfering with your phone's network connection. The built-in shutter and generous control range make it easy to trigger photos or video from a distance without juggling a separate remote. A strong magnetic mount with a soft backing holds securely to MagSafe compatible phones or included adapters, and the 3-level brightness adjustment keeps the display usable in different lighting conditions. The integrated high-capacity battery runs long enough for typical shooting sessions at higher brightness, while staying cooler than many small external displays. Support for high-resolution, high-frame-rate recording lets creators capture smoother, more detailed footage for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, while still seeing a clear preview on the monitor.